Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In a previous tutorial, we have learned how to create object using object initializer, and in this tutorial, we are going to create an object using constructor function and also learn in which case object initializer use and in which case constructor function use. Whenever you want to create a single object like an object for a single person, then at that time we can use object initializer. But if you want to make an object for a group of people, then at that time constructor function is suitable. And constructor function is also known as a blueprint object or class. Now to create a constructor function, first we have to write function. Here we are making a function for a group of people, so we can give a name person. Now we have to make a properties for an object person, so every person can have name and age. Now whenever we pass the value through name and age, we need to assign those value in a person object. For that we use this keyword instead of person dot pname, then assign the value of name, then do the same thing for age also. Here we make a blueprint of object. Now while creating a new object or also called creating an instance of person object, we start with where. Then I'm gonna make an instance for boy. Whenever we creating a new object from a person, we need to write new person. Then pass the value for name and age parameter, name Bob, age 20. Now make another instance for girl. Girl equal to new person, name Shruti, age 18. And again, to create an instance of object, first we give the name of instance like boy, girl, then the name of blueprint which is person. At last we pass the value. Now for a boy, name Bob, age 20. For a girl, name Shruti, age 18. Now in order to print the value of properties, just write document dot write boy dot pname is boy dot age years old. Now save this, and we got Bob is 20 years old. Now replace boy with girl. And we get Shruti is 18 years old. And again, while making a constructor function, first we give the name for a function, and it is better if that name represents the group of object. Then we make a parameter which pass the value for properties of object. Then we assign that value boy name Bob, boy age 20. Then we use person blueprint to create new object like boy, girl. At last, to access those property of object, first we write the name of object, then its property. And in this way we create an object using constructor function. And this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.